Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to attach files in a Microsoft Teams message. So let's say you want to write somebody, hello, see the attachment, right? So let's say I want to write that and I want to send a file, right? In order to attach file, what you want to do is look for the clip icon towards the right hand side of the message box. And if you click in that, it's going to allow you to attach files. So as you can see, it pops up right away and give me two options: attach from cloud and attach from this device. And let's say the file is on my computer. I click on attach from this device and it's going to open up File Explorer. And all you have to do is just search for the file that you want to attach. And let's say I want to attach, I'm going to just say I'm going to attach, let's say this file. I click on this and I click on open. And as you can see right away, it's going to quickly load the file right into the message window here. And yeah, it's going to be attached, and all you have to do is send the message by clicking enter or the send icon towards the right, the lower right of the text box right here. And that's it. That's how you attach files to Microsoft Teams message.